Hello and welcome to the Wahi Al-Kalam Academy to improve Arabic calligraphy / N. Wahi Al-Kalam Academy presents to you a curriculum for improving Arabic calligraphy that is presented for the first time in a simple and structured way based on knowledge of the rules that help the trainee to know the letters with a fixed base, which makes the trainee able to write any words even if he did not know them before. And the size of the letter in its correct form, and with the repetition of the Arabic writing on this model, the sensory and visual accustomed to the accurate perception of the sizes of the correct letters. In this case, the model is dispensed with step by step and then writing on one line / N. The first step that we follow in the explanation on this form is to identify how to write on the form designated for training through line geometry / N. The first step is to number the lines of the form in the order 1, 2, 3, for /N. The second step is naming the lines, including knowing the function of each line. For example, the third line is called the baseline because it is the normal brochure line that we use to write on, and since this line is called the baseline, so we start writing some letters from it and then rise or fall with the letter, and that is why it is above the baseline. The height below the baseline is called a drop, and from here we call the second line the first height, and we call the first line the second height. /NWE also learn about the lines that come below the baseline. The line that comes directly to the furniture line is called the first drop, then the one that follows it to the bottom is the second landing, and no line was drawn for it. The letters of the nun group, and we will get to know them later, and then we come to the most important steps in the philosophy of the line, which is the point. And the meaning of the point is a small standard circle with a diameter half the distance between any two lines.